Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, my dear friends, on my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I welcome warmly all of you with this new video. I hope you are enjoying the content. So, let's talk about this video without wasting our time. In this video, we will discuss so many design ideas of crochet pouches because these crochet pouches are so useful to utilize for so many purposes, and they look so cute as well as they are so comfortable and can be easily carried. And the most important thing that you can create these crochet pouches by yourself, and you would be loving these ideas. And when we talk about utilizing these pouches, let me discuss some ideas and some ways that can be these pouches used. For example, I primarily utilize pouches to organize my drawers and handbags or something. For example, I find it so much easier to compartmentalize items by purpose to prevent the endless mess and so many things that create irritation. And when we cannot find anything on the right place, it happens. And pouches help me select and edit the items that I opt to bring depending on what my day holds. And what I may grab when I head to the grocery store will definitely be different than spending the day in the car or traveling to the coffee shop to work. And having everything pre-packed in individual pouches actually allows me to just grab what I need and hit the road. So, all while keeping my handbags super organized. And today I thought that I would be sharing these beautiful designs and different ways to utilize your pouches for organization. And you would see some may seem super obvious, and I love pouches of all shapes and sizes, and I don't discriminate actually. They are all great for me. So, let's dive right in so you can see why I feel so strongly about these fabulous things. And the most important thing is that when you travel and when you have so many things, especially cards and other things, you can use your pouch to organize your passport, your receipts, and other documents that you don't want to create intermingled. You don't want to get them intermingled with any other things. So these pouches can really help you. And after that, it comes to jewelry. you know Arranging the jewelry is so beautiful, and it is actually the choice of almost every girl that she finds the pieces in the right place. Whenever she wants to wear something, she finds it without wasting any time. So pouches, in fact, while traveling, can be used is to keep all the jewelry together. And smaller earrings are held by a cosmetic container, and while the remainder of the items are tossed into the pouch, and you can put these into the suitcase. And after that, if we talk about an other use, you can see that your nail kit, for example, if you are taking it somewhere with you or you are keeping it in your home. So the people who love to paint their nails, and they want their things in a right place, and they want to use all the things, all the nail kit items or tools, and they want that they get all these things at one place. So this would be an amazing idea for them, that they create a pouch, or for somehow they buy a pouch and take their things or keep their things in those pouches. They can carry these things anywhere with them in a very comfortable way. So another amazing idea is that you can put your sewing kit in a pouch. Actually, a pouch can be turned into your sewing kit. It seems that one of us is sometimes always losing a button or having a hem fall out or needing a small hole repaired. So when you need these kinds of things, your saving kit will help you because you have all the things in it. For example, mini spools of thread, small scissors, extra buttons, needles, and safety pins like things, and you won't be wasting your time anymore when you have these pouches in your hand. So this is amazing and pretty idea. I think you are liking it. And for our loyalty cards, you can also use if you are having loyalty cards. For example, I always tend to have a variety of loyalty, reward, and gift cards that I carry at any given time. So I use my pouches for these purposes too, and they give me so comfort and I feel so beautifully comfortable while using. Along with that, your first aid kit can be your pouch. For example, you can never go wrong having first aid kits in your bags. This is also super amazing idea if you have a pouch or you create a crochet pouch. So you can see, you can get many ideas from this video. There are so many color combinations and so many shapes. If you are liking any idea, you can pick it up and learn to crochet. If you are already learning crochet, this is so good. I hope you are liking this video, and if you want to see something else, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.